saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
Welcome back to my channel for this all day clean with me. This video is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. If you are new here, I do post every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 o'clock, bringing you tons of cleaning motivation to help keep your houses clean and smelling fresh. If you do want to be part of my YouTube family, just click the subscribe button down below and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
And leave me till tomorrow, wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up.
So as you can see in today's video, I am starting downstairs in the kitchen just by doing the washing up and making the kitchen ready to go for the day, because here the lockdown restrictions have been lifted a little bit and family are now allowed to visit again. Still socially distant, but they are allowed inside the house. So now I don't know when somebody's going to be knocking on the door. I need to make sure that it is ready to go for visitors at a drop of a hat. So I'm going to start downstairs today just in case by doing the kitchen and the living room first before I then move upstairs and do the bedroom.
And my soul shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water, let me have my peace, and leave me till tomorrow, wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream.
So now I've gone in, wiped all the sides down and cleaned off the hob with the Method spray. I'm just going to go in with the Cif cream and clean the sink. This is one of my favourite things to do. I absolutely love having a shiny sink, and the Cif cream is definitely one of my favourite products. It's one that I just buy over and over again. I don't think I'll be using anything else really to give it a good deep clean. I really love it, and I love the smell of it as well. So I'm just going to go in, make the sink super shiny before moving on to the living room.
But I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes.
So the living room always looks like a bomb has hit it after the weekend. Every Monday when I film, it's a complete mess, and it is the messiest over the weekend for some reason. I just don't do anything over the weekend. It's family time at the weekend, and cleaning doesn't really get done until the Monday. So I'm at it again on Monday, cleaning it all. As you can see, there was workout stuff on the floor from my husband this morning. The cushions just get thrown everywhere, and rubbish soon builds up. So I'm just going to go in and get this room looking a little bit more put together.
Eyes of thinking bigger, 'cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
I'm now going to go in and give it a good hoover, because I actually haven't hoovered for about 3 to 4 days, and that's just not like me at all. It's normally every day, if not every other, if I'm too busy. But yeah, it's been days, so this is really satisfying to do, and I love the sound that the hoover makes when it picks up dirt. It's just so satisfying to me. So I'm going to go round, hoover the living room, the hallway and the kitchen, and just get the carpet looking a little bit more fresh.
I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
Now come upstairs, and you can see how behind I am on this day because I haven't even opened the bedroom curtains. But I'm going to start on the bedroom now by just getting everything off the floor, sorting out the washing and stripping the bed off to put that in the wash as well, just to get this room looking a bit more put together and fresh. I absolutely love fresh sheets, and I have started washing my bedding a lot more than usual, and I think way too often. It's sort of getting washed now every 3 days or something like that, because I love it when it is freshly made. So let me know down in the comments how often you switch up your bedding and how often it gets washed, because I really think I'm washing it too much.
Baby, while we're young. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, baby, while we're young.
So this little section is a section that you don't see that often, because as you can see, it's a complete mess, and it's always a complete mess. For some reason, it just gathers everything. When we can't be bothered to put it away, it goes here. And some of these cardboard boxes have actually been there for a couple of months now. So I really need to take them down and put them out into the recycling. Just sort out everything else and put everything away, because everything does have a home. But for some reason, we get lazy and everything just gets dumped here. So I'm just going to go ahead ahead, take out these boxes, put everything into the recycling that needs to go into the bin, put the plastic boxes into the garage, and then just put everything else into its proper place.
I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast, I need this night to last. So, you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why, what an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
So now all that's done, it looks so much better. I still need to figure out what I want to put on that little white cabinet, but for now I am just happy with it being spacious and empty. So I'm going to move upstairs to the bedroom whilst I'm waiting for the bedding to wash and dry. I'm just going to give it a quick dust over because it does build up dust very quickly, especially on the black cabinet. I think it just shows up literally everything. So I'm going to go in, give everything a good wipe over, give everything a quick hoover, ready to make the bed.
I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast, I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast, I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast, I need this night to last. Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.
This bedroom always feels so much more fresh and cozy once it's had a good hoover and a dust, and now the bedding's done, it's just topped it off. It's the cherry on the cake. So I'm going to go ahead, make the bed and just make the room super fresh.
I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and see what I am up to when I'm not here on YouTube, do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. I will leave the link to my Instagram down in the description below, along with the link to my new Facebook group, which is Everything Home. And just like the title says, it is everything to do with the home. So there is cleaning motivation over there from other creators like myself. So I know that you would absolutely love being over there to get even more motivation. But it is also a community where you can post everything to do with your home home, any cleaning products or new decor or DIY projects that you've been working on. We would love to get to know you and your home, so do go over and give us a follow. I will leave the link down in the description below.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also leave this video a thumbs up if you got the motivation that you needed. I will leave some more up on the screen here for you so you can just find even more motivation, and I will see you back here in the next one.